Hello guys and welcome back to Current Technologies. I am Michael and you are watching the Complete Android Development Diploma for Beginners. In the last video we discussed about the history of Java, and in today's video we're gonna learn some important definitions that every programmer should know. So let's start with the first one, which is the machine code. What is machine code? Machine code consisting of machine language instructions, which is a low-level programming language, unreadable by humans. Humans cannot understand it. Used to directly control a CPU of a computer, and each instruction causes the CPU to perform a specific task. For example, a load or restore task. Note that this machine code is unreadable by humans. It only consists of zeros and ones. Only computers can understand it. Desktops, laptops, smartphones, all this hardware only understands the machine code only, which is some zeros and ones, some instructions made by zeros and ones, group of zeros and ones, which is ununderstandable by humans. So it was need to have another language understandable and readable by humans that help humans to communicate with computers. Here it's coming the source code, the second one, which is a collection of computer instructions written using a human readable programming language. So this source code will be the bridge between humans and machine code. Next is the byte code, which is something intermediate between the source code and the machine code. It's not the final version of machine code that will run on the hardware, but still it's a set of instructions that is not readable and not understandable by humans. It's something in between the source code and the machine code. This byte code is executed by the virtual machine and it's generated by a compiler. And don't worry if you don't understand the last statement. We will discuss this in details later. Next is the programming language, which is the language used by programmers to write the source code. The source code is written by a language, okay? This programming language is used to write the source code. Some examples of this programming language is the Java, the one we are studying right now. Another is C++, C#, Python, and so on. We have so many programming languages. Next is the SDK, or the Software Development Kit, which is a built-in set of classes and libraries, some pieces of software in particular, which are ready to use by programmers. Note that this SDK is the core of any programming language. Compiler is a computer program which is a part of the SDK that translates the source code from a high-level programming language such as Java to a lower-level programming language. Last is IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, which is a software program acting as an editor where a programmer can write his code. This editor contains many tools and plugins that help the programmer to save time and energy while coding. So these were the most important definitions that every programmer should know. Please understand it carefully. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Also subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. If you have any questions, you are welcome to join our student community on Facebook. You will find all these links in the video description below. And happy coding. See you in the next video.